page 60, comparison bars. So let's take a look at our example at the top. And do I have a volunteer who wants to read for us? Ben.
To prepare for a family gathering, Sarah made 2 quarts, Ryan made 6 quarts. You can compare amounts using multiplication and division. Let R equals the number of quarts Ryan made. Let S equal the number of quarts Sarah made. Ryan made 3 times as many quarts as Sarah.
Okay, so they made an equation right here. What does the R stand for, guys? Ryan equals 3 times, what's the S?
Sarah.
Okay, so Sarah made 1/3 as many quarts as Ryan. So that's where they've done S equals, and they've got their fraction here, like we just looked at on the board. Times R, or S equals R divided by 3. Okay? How come they put a division sign here instead of a fraction? Hunter?
Because R could be
Every fraction is a
problem.
Every fraction is a Every fraction is a
Division problem.
Every fraction is a Every fraction is a Every fraction is a Very nice job. Alright. So, up here, if we look at our comparison bars, why are there 2? Why do you think they put 2s for Ryan? What are you thinking, Zoe?
Because 2 is a factor of 6.
Okay, 2 is a factor of 6. Andrew?
It's just that Ryan made 6 quarts and Sarah made 2 quarts, but since Sarah didn't make 3 quarts, so they had to divide it up into 2.
Okay, good. So there were 6 quarts total. So Ryan has 6, right? Sarah, we know, made 2. So she's got 2. So then they don't give us that detail. Oh, this detail. They tell us Ryan made 3 times as much as Sarah. So in our heads, we need to think that Ryan, or Sarah, is 1/3 of Ryan. Right, guys? Okay. Oh, you're good. Okay, so let's go ahead and do number 9 together, and then I'll let you go to your centers. So look at number 9. Sign it? Okay. So Natasha made 12 quarts of soup. Manuel made 3 quarts. So we're going to draw comparison bars to show the amount of soup each person made. So I'm going to look back at my example, and I see they've put each person, right? So go ahead, write Natasha, and then Manuel. That's you. And then in parentheses, bless you, we're going to put N for Natasha, and M for manual, right, guys? Okay. So for Natasha, I'm drawing my rectangle. Tyler, I need you. Okay. And how many total quarts did she make, Andrew? 12. Now, Manuel made 3. So I'm going to just draw a smaller rectangle. And I'm going to write 3. So the next thing, I need to divide up Natasha. I need to divide up her comparison bars. What ideas do you have? What are you thinking? Eliza. Do what?
3, because 3 in there and just 4.
Like that? Oh. Is that what you're thinking, Tyler? Good job. So then if I do that, because Manuel had 3 quarts, so would I put a 3 for Manuel, guys? Yeah. Okay. Okay. So, that's a blank, number 10 and 11. I see. So we drew our comparison bars, right? Now question 10 says blank made 4 times as many quarts as blank. What are we going to put in the blanks there? Stephen, what are you thinking?
I think that for the blank, we can say N.
So I think we can say the name. We don't have to.
Okay, so Natasha made 4 times as many quarts as Manuel.
Does everybody agree?
Yes.
Yeah, you're correct. Manual. Then 11, blank made 1/4 as many quarts as blank. Now we're turning it into a fraction. Who can fill in those blanks? Jackson.
Manuel.
Good. So Manuel made 1/4 as many quarts as who? Natasha. So then write 2 multiplication equations that compare the amount. N stands for who, everybody?
Natasha.
So Natasha equals what? What could we write there? Hunter?
3 or 4/3. Oh no, 1/4.
Keep thinking. Raise your hand. What are you thinking, Faith?
4/4.
Well, look up here. Natasha made 4 times as many quarts as Manuel. We're going to turn that into an equation for Natasha. Okay, Ben, you want to try?
4/3.
Joey?
Well, I'm going to say 3 times 4.
Okay, everybody put your hands down. Look at sentence 10. Natasha. We've replaced Natasha's name with the letter N, right? Made 4 times. How do I write 4 times? Callan.
4.3.
One way is 4 dot, just the 4 times, okay? It's an equation, as many quarts as Manuel. What symbol did we use to represent Manuel? What am I going to put right there? Steven.
M.
M. That's your equation, guys. So then, for Manuel, now look at 11. We're going to turn number 11 into our equation. So Manuel equals what? Sydney.
Manuel equals 1/4.
Got the first part. Good job. So we've got 1/4. Kyle?
You could put a dot and then an N.
We could say 1/4 dot N. We could write the word of. We could do our times. Okay. Last problem. Write a division equation that compares the amount. What are you thinking for that? Zoe.
divided by 3.
Okay. Equations. We want m and n in there. Both m and n. Okay. Andrew?
N divided by n equals 4.
Okay, let's think about what we're doing. So, for example, let me give you a hint. Manual equals. What would manual equal? Hunter?
Manual equals 4.
That's our answer. How do we get there? Sydney?
4.
Okay, where are we going to put Natasha in there? Remember, Natasha had the 12. She made 12 quarts of soup. Zoe?
M equals N divided by.
Natasha's 12. Manual's 3, right? So n divided by what gives you 3? Sam?
Divided by M.
Guys, think about it. Manual is 3, okay? Natasha's 12. 12 divided by what number is going to give you 3? Eliza. Thank you. Okay, I'm going to go through your directions pretty quickly. Today, at your sheet, you are doing 61 and 62. I wrote it up on the board. You're going to bring your packet to group. Same centers as yesterday. Hunter. What does it say up there? Does it say turn in? What are you going to do with it? Okay. All right, we're starting a little late today. Orange group, move to math facts. Pink group, start on page 61. Green group at the table with your packet and a pencil. And blue group, hands on. Tyler, will you turn on the light, please?